How to customize a page on Shopify step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create and customize a page on Shopify website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Shopify store. So I already have one. You can see this is myshopify.com here, and I have opened up the admin. If you do not have a store, then you can create one by going to shopify.com. It's really easy. You can use your email address. So you have a store on Shopify, and now you're struggling with customization of the website. Let's actually open up our website first. For that, you have to go to the online store here, and it says view your online store. So I'm going to actually open it up in a new tab so we can visit it. All right, so here it is, a brand new page that we have on Shopify, and it has nothing. We really need to customize this. We need to change it. We need to make it look like a store. So for that, we can work on the customization. Once you select an online store from here, you can see we get a bunch of different options and we have themes. So you have to go to themes here, and it will allow you to choose a theme for your store and get started with the customization. So this is our themes here, and the first step is going to be selecting a theme. You can scroll down and you can see we have different popular themes available, and now it totally depends on what kind of store you have in mind. So you can see we have this Dawn theme, which is also a default theme that we get with Shopify. Then we have this Refresh, we have Craft, then we have Sense, right? These are free themes, and we can also visit the theme store. For me, I'm gonna go with the Dawn here because this one is actually a pretty good default theme that we get. So once you have selected the theme here, now you're going to click on customize. So it will take you to your online store and you will be able to customize the page. So here we have our editor. The first thing that you need to do is select the page. Whatever page you want to customize, you will select it. For me, I will be customizing homepage. So we will select it. And now you can see I'll be able to customize all of the different sections here, the different elements that have been added. So at this side of the screen, we have our header template. With each section, we can add different blocks into it. For instance, we have this header section here. So we have an announcement bar in it and a header. I can add more blocks into it. Similarly, we have this template where we have image banner. Then within our image banner, we have a block which is the text and a button. Then we have featured a collection within this section, and then we have footer. So I can add a new section or a block. Let's go up to our header, announcement bar. Welcome to our store. I think it's looking okay. Welcome to our store. The text is fine with me, or we can customize it if we want to. Then we have our header. Now within our header, if you want to add a main menu, you can add it from here. It will show you the main menu here on the store. But if you want to add a drop down, you can. We can even go with a sticky header. On scroll up, always reduce logo size. So we have all of these different options. Color scheme, we can even change the color scheme for the header. Country and region, language selector. So if you want to add a country selector or language selector within your header here, you can do that. Now this option will be available within your homepage. So for me, the header looks okay. We can move on to the next section, which is the image banner. So in image banner, the first thing is this huge image on our store, and this makes a lot of difference. So we need to select an image. We can go with 2 images if we want, or 1. I'll be selecting 1. So we'll click on select and upload an image from our computer, or we can even select from free images available. So I'll simply click on select image and click on upload. So this is our banner image that I have uploaded, and you can see it looks pretty good. So within our image banner, we have our latest products. So this is like a heading. So this is our heading right here. This is the store name that I wanted to add. After that, we have a button. So I don't want to add a button here. What I will do is I'll actually get rid of this block from here, and we're gonna actually click on delete. You can see we can remove any of the block. We can completely customize a page. Okay, so we have a heading here. What I'll do is I'll add another block, which is going to be a text, because I want to add a tagline. So we'll simply add a tagline here. Okay, So you can see this is what it looks like. Now we have a store name, we have a tagline, and we have our main image. After that, we have featured collections. If you want to feel like you want to add another block, you can do that from here, but another block has already been added with the template. We have featured collection. Now this is where automatically the products that you have added to your featured collection will be displayed here automatically. So you can select the heading size here, and you can even select the products, of course. Scroll down a little bit, you can check the layouts and everything. Click here on the products and you'll be able to add the products and customize them. So this is actually really easy. Then we have add a section. Click on add a section and it will allow you to add featured products, collection list, rich text, image with text, image banner, slideshow, collage, multicolor, multi-row. We can add email signups, videos, pages, and more. Let's add a video actually. Click on the video and it will allow you to add a video to your homepage. Now you can see a video block has been added, a section. So we can go with the heading, but for me, I'm not going to actually go with the heading, but just a simple video. Click on select video from here and you can upload a video or you can even add a link. You can see embed a video URL, so you can even add a YouTube video here. We can then select a cover image for our video and it will be added here. So you can see this is what it looks like, and we can now adjust the size. After that, within our homepage, we have this subscribe to our email, which is the footer. If you want to add more things to your footer, you can go to the footer section here. This is the color scheme for the background. We have our heading which says subscribe for our emails. We can even show our social media icons, country, region selector, language selector in the footer. So all of these things will be added automatically when you publish your website. So you just need to select from here. If you do not want to add it, you can just disable this option. So you can see we have a bunch of different options for the footer. So you can see from header to your footer, you can customize the page completely. And you can see this is what it looks like now. It looks a little better, and I will add the products too. If you want to customize another page, then it totally depends on the page that you're editing. But with the help of a template, all you need to do is just customize. You don't need to create anything from the scratch, which is a good thing. So we have a cart page, we have collection list page, collections, product page. So you can customize it completely, but this is going to be the way. At the side of the screen, you'll find the, all of the blocks and sections. We can even change theme settings. So click on theme settings here and you can change the logo, colors, typography, layouts, buttons, inputs, variant appeals, collection cards, block cards, media, badges, icons, card, checkout. So everything can be customized from this option. And then we have app embed. So even if you want to embed app to your store, you can do that. Once you're ready with your page, you feel like your page is customized, it's all good, click on save at the top and all of the changes that you've done will be saved. Make sure to hit save when you are editing. We can now get a desktop preview of our store, and you can simply publish it as well. So yeah guys, this is how you customize a page on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on a bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.